If you've received a new bank card or want to update your payment options for seamless food orders, I will show you how to add a new payment card to Doordash. So firstly, we need to navigate to your account settings where payments methods are managed. Log into your Doordash account and open your main home screen. And select your account profile icon right over here. It's going to be located on the bottom left, bottom right. Then scroll through your account options and select payments. You should be on this screen and choose payments methods depending on your app version. And here you will see all your currently saved payment methods, including existing cards, digital wallets, or account balances. And now we can securely input your new card details. So under payment options, select credit or debit card right here, press here. And you'll be taken to this third screen. You enter your 16-digit card number here, expiration date in this field, CVC from the back here, and also the zip code. And then on the top right, you hit save. And then guys, last step, if you want to use this newly added card as your primary and default, you go back one step, right, so that you're on the payment screen. And with this new card added, just choose it right here with this little dot so that it's so that it says primary in this green text. And whatever payments you perform after will be done through this new card that you've added. That is it. Enjoy and subscribe to the channel.